Seth, we've bought some new Hoover bags for Henry. So here we go. Have a look. Take a Henry Hoover bag out. Let's have a look at it.
Can't pull it out.
Right. We only need one. So here we go. Right, listen.
What?
We need to put this inside Henry Hoover. So let's open him up. Take his hat off. Is it open?
Yep.
Yep. Right. Take this green bag out because this one was rubbish. It ripped, didn't it?
Yeah.
Ugh, stinky rubbish. We'll close it.
Yeah.
And we'll put that in the bin. Ugh. Right. We need to put this bag in. Do you want me to show you how to do it?
Show me then.
Put it on there. Push it on. Push. Push. Is it that the right way? Let's see. Yeah. I think so. Let's see if it's on fully.
Yep.
Need to push it all the way on so no rubbish can get out.
Harry Hoover want that.
There we go. Right, he's got a nice fresh bag. He'll be happy with that now. Look at him smiling. He's so happy. You putting his hat back on?
Too heavy.
Oh, very heavy. Right,
Heavy.
there we go. We're ready to lock him up. There we go. Push it in. Very good. Are you happy now, Henry?
Yep.
Okay then. There we go.